Hello, how are you? So this is night time, so I don't know what is the time because of I went to the park place. I told you last time we're gonna replace starter. So I promise you to I'm gonna teach you how to start it very easy way. So you can see it's right there. So I already bought the part. Okay, so I already bought it. So it's like I'm not gonna show you where I bought it. It's not gonna good because of I don't know promote any places. It's over here, like 105 dollar, and but you try to buy a cheaper place because of I went places they are closer because of the Friday, the Anaheim, California. So today is a Friday, they close early or maybe COVID time. Because of that, you have to keep this one because of the I have a 1 year warranty. So actually I wanna get the correct part. Because of that, I already removed the part and went over there and bought the brand new one. I just replace it because of I want to show you how to take it out, so the correct way and how to fix again. Okay, so okay, let's do that. So we're going to start from over here first. Yeah, intake hose, you're going to take out this hose right there. Before do everything, you have to remove your battery, otherwise you can see a wonder over here, so you can head to yourself. So if you're beginner or the I don't care, you have experience, whatever, remove the battery please before you do anything. We're gonna take 13 and 12. 13, 12, I'm gonna hold over here. You got it? Right there, okay? Thirteen and 12. I don't know, you have maybe something smaller nuts and balls, you have to make sure before you take out, okay? So get the, it's a little bit hard because yesterday I told you we replaced the brand new one, okay? Make sure, remember, I'm not the mechanic, okay? So I'm gonna teach you how to do this everything without mechanic knowledge, right? So if you need it, you take over there, okay? We're gonna, all the parts whenever you take out, we're gonna put it on the floor right here, you see. So and then the second one, I told you we're gonna take this part right here. Screwdriver. Air intake hose. Anything, whenever you take out everything, do the proper way, then you know how to get the back again. We don't need that in this one, right there, tool, okay? Be careful, I hurt myself too whenever I put the finger over here, so you have to be careful, okay? So this one, this part right here, right here, this one, can you see it? I don't have right here lights, so okay, because of this is my garage. Garage means the car parking slot, okay? Can you see this one right there, this small part? That one, 1, 2, we have a, that one we have to take out. I'm going to use this two extensions, that one, this tool, okay? can take out like this. (14 milliliter) box model, like this. 14 milliliter, 14 millimeter, 14 millimeter. You see it? Can you see this tool with the extensions bar? Okay, so remember, don't put anything over here, around here. I'm just put the bill right there. Don't any tool, don't put over here. Everything on the floor. Okay, this one I need to, no, not the 13. We're gonna use this one, I think. 12 millimeter, 12 millimeter. Okay, we're gonna take out this part. Remember, when we take out this one, so all the screws and nails put separately. Remember, you can put something over here, otherwise if you put something over here, it's going to be problem for the, you're going to make the big problem. So you can start the car again, or you're going to broken something. So that one right there, and then this one we're going to take out over here. Use the extensions bar, I think, little bit. If you can put the tool. So the second part, we're going to take out the fan, because of the our starter is right here. You can put the finger over here, so you can take out the parts. We're going to remove these parts. 1, 2, 3. So this one over here, you have to use this tool. (10 millimeter). You can use both side, any side. So can you show to them over here? This is the, we're going to take out the radiator fan. Can you see it right there? This one. Okay, we're going to take out that one. We have one more. Before that one, take out one more. So it's around here. Can you show it to them over here? This one right there. Okay, I'm gonna put the tool. Hold on, then I can show you right there. Can you come this side, please? Over here. I think they can see it. Okay, this part right here. This is the radiator fan we're gonna take out. Can you see it? This one. Okay, second one. And the third one, we're going to take out the radiator hose. Okay, and then slowly you have to take out the fan, radiator fan. Okay, like this. They have a radiator liquid over here. You have to put something like this. Okay, that one we good right now, and right there. So we're gonna take out this part right now. Easy. There. Okay, right, this is the this is the starter right there, starter problem. So this is the, we have one nails right there. I'm going to show you how to take out. that one we're going to use 14 millimeter, 14 millimeter with the extensions bar. Okay, with the extensions bar right there, this door. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. It's a little bit hard. Okay, I'm just showing you how to take out these parts. Whenever you go for the parts with the original part, so they're gonna keep for the part because of they're gonna discount like $30 for me. They give it to me the discount, and then I got the brand new part for 1 year warranty with where is it? Okay, right now we're gonna take this one out. It's very hard. Okay, so remember, we are not a mechanic. Okay, you're gonna do it yourself. It's very hard, but you can do it. I say, like, if I can do it, you can do it too. So be careful with the radiator. Don't hit anything. If you hit something, if you strike that one, or if you break this one, it's gonna be a big deal for you. Okay, be careful. And these things is very sharp. Don't hurt it yourself. It's very hard. Okay, gonna hold over here. They can see it, right? Right there. Okay, this one, 14 millimeter. We have another surprise over here. Other one is right there. Very hard to put your finger right here. So we're going to use the 2 extensions for this one. So I'm going to use this one. One more, because of it's too short over here. I need a little bit bigger. I don't have any tool like that. I'm going to use this one, like make it bigger. Okay, then can you come over here, please? We're going to put the use 14 millimeter because of we have one right there, one right here. So let's see. Use my tool. It's very hard to find it. Okay, so they can see it. I don't have two facilities over here. Okay, so I just want to teach you how to do that. And this place is very hard to take out this one, and I'm gonna tell you the right location is right here. You're gonna take out this black parts right here. This is the one hose right here, and this is the transmission cable, and between the between then that, okay, right here. So pinch it, you can do it with the over here, okay. So I have to control this one too, then you can see it. So let's see. Okay, this one you have to use the two hand like this, okay, and take out right here, okay. You can you see it right here? Okay, that's it right here. You see it? That's the second one. Remember, located is right here. Can you see that hole right there? So next to this one and underneath the cable right here. And then right now you can take out the parts, okay. Okay, okay, this one right here, this cable, can you see it over here? You're gonna take out this one. I used to take out the hold on, I'm gonna show you how to take out this small part. Use the small Allen key like that, small Allen key, and you have to put over here. It's locked like this, okay. So you have to take out underneath right there and push it like this, okay, and push it. You done over here, and then other thing right here, you have to take out this one, okay. Don't damage your radiator, okay. So you have to take out the plastic boot over here. Baba, so someone wanna go more? No, right? So okay, we're gonna use this as the key 13. I'm gonna bring the 13. We're going to use the 13 for this one. Okay, that one over here. Okay, here's your alternator, but remember I take out the old one. This is the warranty seal. When you buy the brand new like this with a receipt with the 1 year, so it's come like that. So you have to take out, you can keep this one and for the warranty, and you have to take out this part right here, maybe keep right here, okay, because of this one has to be open, okay. Then everything good to go, this one over here, everything. So this is the new starter, okay. I'm gonna replace again for you because you wants to know how to put it back again. whenever you put it back, so put the original one, okay, original one before you take out, okay. So the old one put in back, because that's the original one. So we're going to put in old one right here. Oh, shit, I'm going to take out. We got it. You don't have enough room over here, so you have to be careful, you know, like with your fingers and everything before your safety. Take, you know, you have to be careful with the metal things, you see. So you can put something over here, maybe, you know, for your safety. Thirteen key, and put the boot back, the plastic boot back right here, cover back, and this one right here. Look, right here. Put it back hardly, okay? That's it. Okay, everything so far good. So right now we're going to replace it. That's the hard part. Don't even think about it, it's easy, okay? That's the hard part. So we don't have enough foam. Okay, we got it. So remember, we are not the mechanic, okay? But we do properly. So can I get the okay? Can you give me a favor? So can you give me that? No, I take it. Okay. Okay, we're gonna do the backward again. So if you took out, right now you're gonna fix it, put it back, right? So gonna put in back. 1, 2, same sizes. I'm gonna put one over here. It's not easy, okay? So if you need it, you can start this one over here first, okay? So anything you have to do easily. So right here I'm going to put this one for you, so then you can see how to do it. That's the easy part. So that's why easy to no, this is the hard to put it. The down there one you can put easy, okay? So that's how I'm going to start over here first. I'm going to put the other one too. Okay, we're gonna do like that. So I'm gonna use my finger for all the way. I like to use my finger, so I don't like to use the gloves. Okay, it's done. It's very cold outside, so United States, California, night time. So I can use the sweater or something because of you can see it very well. So this is the very hard part. So because of you can't put your finger area, so you can put your hand. It's a too tight shape. Sometimes it will give you very hard time to this. You have to use both hands for that side, okay? One is folded, other one is